These amazing aeroplanes, their Bell-Boeing Osprey MV22 tilt rotors, represent another first for the Royal International Air Tattoo.
This is the first transatlantic flight for the MV22, successfully completed on the 10th of this month. We achieved it working in tandem with some C-130s out of BMGR 252 out of Cherry Point. It was a well-rehearsed and well-coordinated event that brought us across. We'd actually made a transcontinental flight from New River, North Carolina to San Diego, California, and then worked our way back about 2 weeks prior. Our last leg into Farnborough from Goose Bay took us about 10 hours.
The V-22 is faster than any helicopter ever has been. It can fly at higher altitudes than any helicopter can. It can, in airplane mode, and obviously it can fly much further than any helicopter can. The bottom line is the V-22 can do things faster and further and higher than a traditional helicopter could.
It's designed as the Marine Corps' medium lift mission, which means it'll take troops, supplies, and logistical equipment ashore from naval sea basing into forward operating bases. It's also going to be used in a special operations platform because of its unique capability to go fast, go far, and stay low. The advantage over just a basic rotary wing aircraft is the fact that you're looking at 5 times the range, 3 times the payload, and about 2.5 times the speed.
Training for flying in the V-22, we actually in our squadron have F-18 pilots come directly into the program, Harrier pilots, C-130 pilots, and then all of the various kinds of helicopter pilots as well. And some of them, obviously a lot of them have prior hover experience, but some of them have 0 hover time, and they managed to do okay.
I tell you, I was pleasantly surprised. My transition to the V-22 from the 46 was made very easy. We have a simulator syllabus that's set up that you literally spend about 50 hours in before you ever get in the plane. And in that, once you had it down in there, getting in the plane was just another day at work. I tell you, the first time I got a chance to get in it and go 250 knots was phenomenal. It's one of those things, it has this phenomenal ability to accelerate. You'll go from 0 to 220 knots before you get to the end of the runway. Slap the gear up and you're up and away. It'll climb at greater than 5,000 foot per minute, all the way up to around 7,000 or 8,000 feet. And as a CH-46 pilot who was moving around about 120 knots, it's been great. It's just been fun.
Tilting the rotors on the V-22 is remarkably simple. It's all about your left thumb. With your hand on the throttle, it's just a matter of bringing your left thumb to you to bring the nacelles up, or pushing your left thumb away from you to bring the nacelles down to the horizontal, like in airplane mode. And it's just a variable rate switch that'll allow you to modulate the rate at which the nacelles move. Airshow displays, they've got a fantastic routine set up. The aircraft will demonstrate its short takeoff capability, its vertical takeoff capability. It'll demonstrate the high-speed airplane mode flying and the maneuverability and agility of the aircraft. And they'll also demonstrate some of the conversion mode, where that's more like a helicopter. It's maneuverability in that mode, and the ability to translate over the ground at low airspeed forward and backwards.